Today's video is brought to you by Invest Social. Invest Social is a community where you can share an idea, you can share a setup, you can share strategy. It is a community where you can connect with traders of like-minded people. It is also a community that has a section for either Forex, stocks, commodities, and indices. Whatever financial market you trade, Invest Social community has a section for every of these. To be part of this community, make sure you visit investsocial.com. This is our trend for the day, which is GBPUSD. So GBPUSD is literally at a major zone right here. We are currently at a major zone. So I believe a massive sell is coming. Yes, I want you guys to know that a massive sell on GBPUSD is literally coming. Now, why it is very clear, if you have to take a look at this, your recent movement, you will see that this is a rejection zone. And I want you to know that market hardly breaks above this rejection zone. Yeah, no, of course, even if it breaks it, it will definitely come back. As you can see, this is a false breakout, right? So even if it breaks above it, it's likely to give a false breakout before it eventually drops. So when you see movements like this pattern, when you see pattern like this, when you see pattern like this, know that market will likely sell. So with what market is doing, when you have to go to your forward time frame, I believe one more push up will play out before it eventually drop again. That is what I believe Euro USD will do. It will, sorry, GBP USD will do. It will first push up, then eventually drop. Now for this push up, let's see it come to a level of 1.35630. So that will be the level I will target for the day, which is 1.35630. We should expect GBP USD to push up to that level. That should be giving us about 30 pips for the day. Let's see if we can grab 30 pips for the day on GBP USD. Then if market decides to change its movement, right, I will give you guys the updates and I will make sure I will let you guys to know. So in order for you not to miss out on the updates, make sure you subscribe and also make sure you visit investsocial.com to also be part of the community to share your ideas and also to share your own strategy.